Hi, you might be wondering what I'm doing with this iPad. So I'm designing logo for a jewelry brand and I thought why not to share the process with you guys. It can help you. You can design logo for your own company, your friends, or you can find clients for yourself. So I will tell you step by step how I design logo for my client. Today I'm designing a simple logo for a jewelry brand. Before starting, keep three things in mind. Your logo should be simple, minimal and distinctive. So let's start the process. So I will use my notebook and pencil to write all the ideas I have in my mind. So first we are going to write the initials that they want in logo. So it's DJ and I'm just exploring what we can do with these letters. So just making a draft. Once it's done, you can choose two designs and start working on them. So now we will start our digital work. I'm using my iPad and we will do this in Procreate app. Again here I will create a draft with pencil first. So just sketching it. And then I will just explore and search for some fonts and we'll see what works better. So this is how I want it to be. So this is how it is looking. I have one more variation in this one. So this is how it is looking. You can give a final logo to your client or you can give them raw logos and then let them decide what they want. So I have given these two logos and she liked this one, wanted to add some details, so I did that. But this is not the end. I created one more variation and I loved this one. Do let me know which one is your favorite out of all this in the below comment section. So guys, this is just a simple logo. You can also create mockup for your client. If you want to know about that, just comment below. I will create a new video about that. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.